Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install an app that allows you to create or extract RAR and zip archives on a Redmi 12. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. Then in the top search, find app called RAR. It's RAR. Install it. When it's ready, you'll be able to open this app, allow to access and manage all files, go back, allow to send notifications, and here dismiss this one. Now the app should be ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.